Guys, wala tayo sa Roblox games ngayon, pero nandito tayo sa Great Wall of China. Samahan nyo kaming umakyat, guys, at hingalin. Let's go!
Ako lang po mag-isa dito at natatakot ako baka malaglag ang aking cellphone. Ayun sila Yuki, pati si Mana. Oh my goodness. Takot pa naman ako sa heights mga tropa. Oh my god. Ba't ko ba ginawa ito po ng ina talaga? Dapat pala ako sa kita. Ayusin natin. Never mind. Kita ko na ang Great Wall. So yan yung Great Wall. If you can see. Look at that. Wow. Looks like a freaking dragon. Guys, ito na. Palis na kami. Ayan yung Great Wall, guys. Oh. Ang ganda ng Great Wall, guys. Kakaiba. Iba talaga yung Great Wall, guys. Okay na okay talaga. Kaya nakita mo yun. Parang sa kay Dragon Ball. Ayun, ini-incheck na kami. Okay, sana hindi kami may picture pa dito. Picture tayo. Picture tayo kahit ako na mag-isa. Ayun na. In-check na ako. Tingnan nyo. Okay, pababa na tayo. Ay, nabuhay po kami. Nabuhay ka ba? Ako'y takot na, grabe. You wasn't scared? Trust me.
Ulit-ulit ka siya.
Nanginginig ako eh.
Ayan, ginusto mo to eh. Stretching time! Get ready to go up. Are you ready? Not yet. Grabe guys, aakyatin namin yun. Tapos dun kami magsistay ng matagal sa taas. And tingnan natin yung view sa baba. Pag nandun na tayo sa taas guys, let's go! 1, 2, 3. One more time.
We can almost see everything.
Yeah.
Resting time. The view. And the hikers. Hello. Let's do this, Yuki boy.
Okay guys, so dito na tayo sa Great Wall. So this is the Great Wall. Mas maganda nga talaga dito. So gagawin natin, papasok tayo dyan, aakyat tayo, pupunta tayo dito para hindi tayo masyadong mataas. Matarik yan eh.
Dito nag-walk?
Ay, so meron dun, dito tayo picture. Sige. Dito tayo. Okay guys, so punta na tayo. Pasok na tayo sa Great Wall. Baba muna kami. Tapos papasok kami sa watchtower dito.
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared.
I'm not.
Hold the rails there.
I need something.
Tignan niyo yung view. Parang Tagaytay. Pero may Great Wall. Di ba? Para akong tito magsalita. Ayan, Great Wall. Fact lang guys kung bakit may Great Wall. Para hindi makapasok mga Pinoy dito.
This is the wall. This is the wall.
Ang ganda. Tignan niyo yan. So itong Great Wall na to ay Yutanyu. Isang segment ng Great Wall. At nandito tayo sa loob ng watchtower. Mama will just take a picture. Yeah. It's okay, you can hold this one too if you want to. Okay, go baby. Yeah. Ganda naman yan. Boys ladder na to eh. See, much easier, right? Now we're here. Come on, go up. If we have a ball pen, we can like draw something here.
This is the most goodest one. This is the most goodest one.
Ayan, graffiti wall number 5. Okay guys, so ayan. Ikot kami ngayon dito.
This is
So nasa
the
watchtower number 5 kami, graffiti wall yun. And then look, alam nyo kung bakit meron ganito? You know why there's a hole here?
Why?
Because they put the bows here and then shoot the enemies inside of it. So may bow dito, tapos pipindutin nila. Ayun yung hindi ko alam.
I thought they what?
So this one too, look. They put the bows here, tapos boom, boom, boom.
I thought they
Pang, pang. Tapos,
I thought it's for
mga iba naman, kukuha sila ng malaking bato. Sa mga kalaban.
Dito daw nila nilalagay yung
Kasi nakit tayo dito. O, di ba?
They look at their enemies, then they like go.
Pag makita nyo, ito, ay tabingi siya. Nakaganto siya. Ayan o, yan na straight na siya, pero pag ganto talaga siya. Look baby, it's all bent up. Right?
Why is it bent?
I don't know, it's all bent up. And then, pag dito, kita nyo dyan, meron pang isang Great Wall. Wow!
This is ancient.
I think so. If it's darker, then it's ancient, like this one.
This is ancient.
Mama, tingnan mo, halika dito. Cool?
What do you mean it's gonna be broken?
Tabingi.
Oo nga.
Pag ganun.
What do you mean it's gonna be
Yan.
broken?
So ito mga ano, papasok mo yung bow dito. Bang, bang, bang.
What do you mean?
Pasok ko yun. Yeah. Ganda, diba? Pag inikot mo,
600 years.
meron na rin dito.
Kasi
Yes. Hi guys, so akit na kami ng wall, slanted siya. Pag ganun. Kita nyo to, akit na akit to. Mama.
Nahihirapan siya sa pag
I'm not used to this.
Of course, no one's used to this. It's slanted. So, etong akyatan naman, maliliit yung mga steps nila. Pero dun sa isang part ng wall na pinuntahan namin, sobrang taas, sobrang steep talaga. Kaya madali dito.
Mas nakakaano naman to, nakakalito.
I almost fall down.
You almost fell down?
Look at your steps lang.
That's how. Why is it sideways?
Look, it says caution, dangerous section.
Can I see? It is.
Pag ano siguro, no? Snowy.
Oh, diba? Ganda.
I will touch a 600-year-old. Daddy, I will touch a 600-year-old brick.
Come on.
That's nice.
Yeah. Mas madali dito kaysa doon sa isa. Right? It's easier here, right?
Yeah.
Yung problema lang, init. 35 degrees.
Yeah, that's it.
And look at this. After this, there's a runway over here. See? Oh. Anyway. And at the side, another Great Wall.
It's like going around the China.
Yeah. Tapos, may shop dito. Ano masasabi mo sa Newton New? Mas maganda yun, hindi? Sakto lang.
Ang haba. Parang snake talaga siya.
Worth it.
Worth it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even though it's super hot.
Tapos kanina sobrang daming tao talaga sa pila. Pero ngayon wala eh. You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Ice cream tayo?
Ice
cream tayo.
Matcha, bro.
Mocha. Okay.
Matcha.
Yeah, let's go.
Recycle.
Muna kung gumagana yung Alipay.
Yes. Mahirap kasi yung Alipay dito. Siyempre wala kami sa Pinas. Yeah. Maganda talaga dito guys. Ito yung souvenir nila guys. How much for this one?
Just 480.
480. Yeah.
Yeah, bigger. Smaller 380.
380.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, how much you?
It's okay.
Okay. Hey,
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Matcha.
Wait lang bebe. Wait lang.
Wait lang, Yuki. Guys, nakauwi na kami galing China at kung umabot ka hanggang dito, don't forget to like and subscribe. At kung nagustuhan mo ang vlog, comment down below. Paalam!